found her buried deep in an old warehouse covered in decades of dust and rust. A 1970 Plymouth Superbird, a true NASCAR legend, now a shell of its former glory. But under all that decay, the heart of a champion is still beating. It's time to bring this bird back to life. First step, stripping away the years. We're blasting off the grime and moss to see what we're really working with. It's messy work, but seeing that original petty blue peek through makes it all worth it. We're not just cleaning a car, we're uncovering history. Time to get surgical. Every bolt, every panel, and every wire is coming out. The corrosion is heavy and the damage is deep, but we're documenting everything. A project this big needs a solid plan. If it's broken, we fix it. If it's missing, we find it. This is where the real craft begins, cutting out the rot and welding in fresh steel. We're hand fabricating custom panels to ensure a perfect fit. It's all about the details, getting those lines sharp and the body straight. This Superbird is finally finding its shape again. Hours of sanding, priming, and more sanding. The surface needs to be glass smooth. Once the prep is perfect, we hit the booth for that iconic petty blue finish. Layers of paint and clear coat to give it that show-stopping shine. She's starting to look like a winner. Now for the power. We're tearing down the 426 Hemi, cleaning every internal component and rebuilding it better than new. New bearings, fresh gaskets, and a precision-tuned carb. When we drop this beast back into the bay, it's going to roar. The home stretch, we're installing the roll cage, the racing seats, and the custom dash. Every gauge is calibrated, every wire is tucked. We're also applying the legendary number 43 decals. It's all coming together, the ultimate tribute to a racing icon. The moment of truth, turning the key for the first time. She's alive, from a rusted wreck to a track-ready monster. We took it back to the speedway where it belongs, rubbing fenders and chasing the checkered flag. We did it. The king is back.
We did it! Thank you, everyone. We finally did it.